excited na tayo. Pakilala na natin Mudra, yung ating guest speaker for today.
Siyempre naman, itong ating guest speaker is the take note, di ba? Siya lang naman, no? Grabe. Geographical Project Specialist ng ating Alta Spatial. So without further ado, let's give a big round of applause. Bigyan niyo na yung clap na icon dyan to our speaker for today, Miss Evangeline Alcoba! Asan na si Evangeline?
Ayan! Hi!
Evangeline!
Good afternoon, everyone! Salamat sa pag-imbita. So glad to be here. Ayan.
Evangeline, if you don't mind, where are you now? Saan ka bang located?
I'm in the Philinvest office in Boni, Mandaluyong.
Ayan. So, sa iba kasi hindi nagtataka. Saan nga ba, o nagtatanong, saan nga ba ang head office ng Philinvest yan? Ayan po, sa Mandaluyong. So, may kaibigan na kayo. Andiyan na si Julene pagdating sa Alta Spatial.
Diyan nyo siya matatagpuan sa ating head office. Ayan, kaya naman ako, Huwag na nating patagalin to, Mudra.
Yes, Miss Julene, the floor is yours. Kindly do the
Thank you,
honors.
Miss Marita. Thank you, Miss Janet. Ayan, sige. Let's share my slide. Ayan. Okay. Again. Good afternoon. My name is Evangeline Alcoba. You can call me Jeline, and I'm the Geographical Project Specialist for Alta Spatial. Alta Spatial is a project of Philinvest under the Futura brand by Philinvest. Under this brand are quality homes designed with care, wherein every Filipino's dream of having a home can be a reality. As you can see on your screen on the lower portion, we have lots of vertical and horizontal projects all over Metro Manila, actually all over the Philippines, but for now, we'll focus on Alta Spatial. Ayan. Alta Spatial is strategically located along Caruhatan Road, a few meters from MacArthur Highway, which is one of the major highways traversing Valenzuela City. The project is also near the NLEX Caruhatan exit and Harbor Link. With the newly built NLEX Harbor Link, going to Manila or Caloocan City from the project via the Caruhatan exit has been made easier. It used to be more than 1 hour, but now it was reduced to 30 minutes na lang. So that construction greatly benefited the project, and it made the project even more accessible anywhere. Now let's go to the site development plan. And Alta Spatial is a mid-rise development project with a total of 4.9 hectares of development, from which 3.8 hectares is for the mid-rise community with 9, 10, and 12 stories buildings and a central amenity area. The 9 buildings are named accordingly as Acacia, Banyan, Cedar, Dita, Elm, Foxtail, Gallo, Holly, and Ilang. The remaining 1.1 hectares naman was reserved for the family park. It's a partnership between Philinvest Land Inc. and the local government of Valenzuela City. If you can see my cursor, this is the family park, right just outside the Alta Spatial community. A few steps away lang. And this family park has the following features. Meron siyang food park, interactive fountain, children's playground, exercise zone, amphitheater, aviary or the bird sanctuary, and picnic areas. And that's the actual picture of the food stalls there. Then the fountain. Then, since the fountain is interactive, as you can see, yan. Then that's the playground. And that's the exercise zone, wherein you can see also yung mga exercise equipments na available to everyone. Then that's the bird sanctuary or the aviary. And that's the amphitheater. And at the back of that, you can see our constructions there. Alta Spatial buildings yan. Then that's the picnic areas or the senior citizen area. With this Valenzuela Family Park, it's like another amenity, di ba, for the project. Aside from the amenity that is being offered by the project. And what are these amenities? Under the clubhouse facilities, we have an indoor gym and multipurpose area. For the outdoor facilities, we have basketball court, kids play area, outdoor gym, and fitness bay. For the swimming pool area, we have an adult pool, kiddie pool, and pool deck. For the amenity features, we have the pet zone, alfresco area, and landscape areas. Since na-mention si pet zone, it answers the questions if the project is pet-friendly. Yes, it is, but we have a limit of up to 2 pets lang per unit, and we do not allow large and exotic pets. For project features naman, we have 24/7 security, property management, gate and guardhouse, and perimeter fence. Now, let's go to the pre-selling building, which is Acacia, yung ating unang building, this one. This building has 10 residential floors, 230 residential units, 43 basement parking slots, and 20 street parking slots. For the floor layout, each floor consists of 23 units, all 2-bedroom units measuring approximately 32 square meters, and comes with a laundry cage located at the roof deck. It also has 2 fire exit stairs access per floor and 2 elevators that serves basement level up to the 10th floor. For the basement floor naman, it consists of 43 parking slots, all measuring approximately 12.5 square meters, and the unit to parking slot purchase ratio is 1:1, which means 1 unit, 1 parking slot for now. Then, the floor has 2-way drive lanes, ground floor entry-exit ramp, and 2 fire exit stairs access on either side of the building, and 2 elevators at the middle that serves basement level up to 10th floor. Now for the unit offering and finishes, each 2-bedroom units, approximately 32 square meters, was divided as follows: 13 square meters for living, dining, and kitchen area, 8 square meters for the master bedroom, 7 square meters for the other bedroom, and 4 square meters for the toilet and bath. Let me just mention the construction methodology being used in the construction of these units, which is what we call the reinforced concrete or the Boost Tibay seal of quality, which ensures quality product spaces at an affordable price. What does this mean? It just means lang po na instead of using concrete hollow blocks, we use the reinforced concrete o yung tinatawag nating buhos, thus making the wall load-bearing walls already, hence eradicating the need for yung super large or super big beams and columns. Hence, wala po kayo makikitang protruding beams and columns dyan. Hence, the space can be maximized by the buyers. And now for the construction updates. As you can see on your screen, on the left side is the Acacia building, and on the right side is the Banyan building as of yesterday. As of the other day, April 4, 2022. And as of March 25, the building is already, both buildings are already at 77% construction, and the target completion date for both buildings is in the third quarter of 2022, and the target turnover date is in the fourth quarter of 2022. However, the dates are subject to change in accordance with IATF's guidelines on construction. So hopefully, wala na po tayong mga expected na lockdowns. So hopefully, we can meet that target. Now, let's go to Cedar Building and Elm Building. As of March 25 also, the construction is already at 28%, and the target completion date for both buildings is on the first quarter of 2024, and the target turnover date is in the second quarter of 2024. Again, dates are subject to IATF's construction protocol. And that ends my presentation for the project. But kasi ang promise namin is construction update talaga for the project. But before I go to the construction update, let me just show you 2 videos showing the milestones the project has reached as of this moment. So the first video is the groundbreaking. The first video is the topping off of Acacia and Banyan. And let's watch this.
I'm glad that we could all make it here at the top of Building Banyan to celebrate with us an important milestone, one for the records of Philinvest Land Inc. So this is the topping off of our first two buildings here in Alta Spatial Project. So this is Buildings Acacia and Banyan.
We're not just topping off one building, we're topping off two buildings for this day. So, congratulations to all of us, to DPI, to the project development team, and also for SharePro for being with us today. So, I think this will not be possible without the teamwork, coordination that we did for the past many months.
On behalf of DPI Management, I would like to welcome you all, of course, from on behalf of Boss ADR, and to all of us. Everyone's contribution is very important to the success of these projects, no? And yung nasa baba pa natin. And we're looking forward to completing the entire estate, the 9 buildings, and the full amenities in the future.
Ayan. That's the topping off of Buildings Acacia and Banyan, which was done last quarter of last year, last of 2021. So next is the video naman of the groundbreaking for Buildings Cedar and Elm. Let's watch this. There you go. That's the groundbreaking of buildings Cedar and Elm. And now for the most awaited video, the construction update of Alto Spatial. Let's watch this. Ayan, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Back to
Yes,
you.
grabe, nakaka-excite. Palakpakan naman natin si Miss Jeline with all of her good news. Pero bago natin isa-isahin, Jeline, okay lang ba? We will show you one video, short video of one of our investors.
Sure, yes ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, yung investor natin na to is from Italy na very, very happy siya, very excited umuwi kasi nakapag-invest siya dito sa Alta Special.
So let's watch this short video of Miss
Miss Mylene Valenton from Milan, Italy.
Hello po, magandang buhay po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Maylin Valenton, OFW, 15 years na po sa Milan, Italy. At ngayon nga po, super excited po ako at hindi ko maintindihan yung nararamdaman ko sa sobrang tuwa ko dahil sa totoo po, eto lang yung unang-una kong investment na yung sinasabing talagang pinagpaguran ko po na talagang pinipilit ko talaga siya na makuha. Eto na po, dadating na po yung time na ito turnover na po siya. Napakasaya ko po. Uuwi po ako ng Pilipinas para po sa turnover. Eto po yung sa may Valenzuela, Alta Special. Hindi ko po ma-express yung sobrang saya na dadating po ako sa ganitong time. Pati po mga anak ko, super excited sila na makita po nila ito dahil napakaganda po talaga at ang sarap sa pakiramdam dahil nung time na wala po ako nito, hindi ko rin alam kung nasa saan yung pera na pinaghihirapan namin. Dito mapo-force po tayo na mag-save na yung konti lang po para lang magkaroon nito dahil hindi naman po to cash. Hulugan lang po na konti lang na magtatabi lang tayo na magugulat na lang tayong meron na pala. Maraming salamat po Freedom Business at nakilala ko po kayo. Sana maging aral din po ito sa atin na sa inyo. Sa una pinanghihinaan ng loob. Laban lang po tayo, fight lang po lalo na sa ating mga OFW na nagpapakahirap dito sa abroad. Kaya po natin to. Lagi niyo pong tatandaan ang kondo hindi lang po sa pangmayaman. Para po ito sa lahat at eto po ang isa sa makakatulong sa atin dahil dito po may passive income. Maraming salamat po.
Yes naman! Sobrang excited! At alam mo ba, nung nag-ask kami ng video, isa siya sa nagpadala ASAP kasi very excited. At buong pamilya silang uuwi ha. Kasi first time, for how many years? First time nag-invest.
Kaya nga, Miss Maylin, nako, we are so fortunate today kasi ang daming pinakita sa ating videos ni Miss Jeline.
Yes, sobra tayong nabusog. Kami, kasi nga kaming dalawa kanina, enjoy kami kasi first time namin nakita yung mga videos na to.
And take note, Miss Jeline, hindi lang po kaming dalawang nag-enjoy, kung hindi buong mundo ay nag-enjoy. Kasi sabi nga ni Miss Beth Oliva, kitang-kita na ang pinaghirapan sa abroad. Dati groundbreaking pa lang, patience is a virtue talaga. Pag may tinanim, may aanihin. Salamat sa partner company na si Philinvest, building the Filipino dream.
Yes naman, at sabi nga, done, share. Ayan, Yahoo, clap. Siguro ito talaga yung mga nakakuha ng investment diyan.
Eto nga si Judy, Miss Jeline ha. Grabe. Ang ganda niya eh, 'di ba?
At meron pang mga katagang yes, excited much.
O sabi din ni Arlene ha, sarap ng pakiramdam makita sa napunta ang hard-earned money sa abroad. Yan.
Yes. So, ito talaga yung effect, ano? Tapos siguro, nung nakuha niya, sobrang baba pa yan.
Pero grabe, Jelina, ngayon lang namin nakita, lalo na yung, ano ba tawag natin doon, yung family part. Ang ganda na pala niya.
Yes. At, take note, katabing-katabi lang. So, parang extension siya nung amenities. So, maganda lang, may napakalaki ka ng park, pagkatapos may napakaganda ka pang amenities.
Paano, yun? Kasi, di ba, it's full of greens. What is the experience around the community regarding that park? I'm just curious, Jeline.
Actually, ma'am, yes, ma'am, nagpunta ako doon. Actually, ako nagulat din, ma'am, kasi ang ganda talaga ng park, well-maintained. Tapos,
yes, at meron pa siyang amphitheater.
Opo, ma'am. Tapos hindi siya crowded kasi kinokontrol talaga din nila yung pasok ng tao because of the, yung physical distancing na protocol. Kaya talagang ma-enjoy mo yung park. You can do everything na hindi ka mag-worry na baka mahawa ka kasi hindi ganun kadami yung tao. And yung greens talaga, ma'am, well-maintained. Ang lalaki ng mga puno, ang gaganda ng mga halaman. Even the birds, ma'am, madaming ibon doon na iba-iba. Kakatuwa. Hindi ko nga lang siya masyadong kasi nag-inspect ako ng site pero may mga iba't ibang ibon din sila doon. So nakakatuwa talaga, ma'am. Ang ganda-ganda. So it's actually talaga a plus for our buyers kasi para silang may second amenity just outside their community, a few steps away.
Yes.
So,
Oh, take note, hindi siya few steps away. Kasi pader lang ang pagitan.
Yes, at
Correct.
nakita namin kanina yung mga yung mga ibon. Yung mga ibon kasi na-capture siya ng video. Kaya saan ka pa ba makakakita? Nasa city ka, pero merong probinsya feels, which is yun talaga ang hinahanap natin na tirahan ngayon, di ba?
Oo, tapos I can just help but notice as well, Jelino, construction is in full swing kasi you just recently topped off the first 2 buildings, am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Last quarter lang.
Di ba
Ng
may
2021.
mga, how should I say, may mga delays, but parang walang delay sa ngayon. Sa
Yes,
updates.
ma'am. We're really doing our best to meet our targets. Ma'am. So hopefully we can reach our target talaga by the end of this year.
Yes.
Ang tanong naman namin, syempre ang ganda nung ang bilis ng construction, 'di ba? Nag-groundbreaking na doon sa 2 other buildings aside from the nag-top off, ang ganda ng kapaligiran, 'di ba? May promo daw po ba?
At may inventory pa po ba?
Yes, marami pa po tayong inventory. Pero ayun, we'll just mag-offline na tayo since we will be presenting privately na lang to
Okay.
our buyers.
O sige, basta ang good news po ni Miss Jeline, take note, may promo daw po tayo at may inventory tayo. So thank you
Yes,
so much.
marami pa po.
Na muna natin, we have another special guest who will be joining us this afternoon. So, Inang, do the honor. Siyempre, itong taong to has been continuously helping us, the group, no? Providing all the materials, providing all the data, and iba talaga, when parang talaga yung credibility niya, hindi mo mak-question kasi ang
Yes.
galing nitong taong ito.
Yes, at siya din ang ating kinukulit sa lahat ng mga kailangan natin. At para hindi na natin kulitin, syempre, nandito siya ngayon, our Geographical Project Manager, Mr. Sol Doliente.
Yes, so join us right now na makita ka naman ng sambayanan. Ayan. Hi, Sol.
Hi! Hi, Miss Marites. Hi, Miss Janet. Kamusta po?
Sobra kaming na-excite at sobra kaming happy sa nakita namin kanina. Kanina 30 lang yung nanonood sa atin. Ngayon 108 na kagad.
Yeah, we're very happy kasi na at least we're able to share with you guys kung ano yung pinaghirapan natin. I mean, all of us, including our investors, including your team, Miss Marites, Miss Janet, and then on the PD side and also with the construction. So we're very delighted na mapakita natin yung pinaghirapan ng lahat ng tao with this project. So kasi makita natin, kung last year kami nag-topping off, last year din kami nag-groundbreaking, kung makikita nyo, nakatayo na and we're planning to top off the last 2 yung Cedar and Elm this year. So kung makikita natin, construction is in full swing.
Wow, Odsol, kasi ang tanong din ng lahat, syempre alam na namin na may promo and there's sufficient inventory. Why Valenzuela? Why Alta Spatial? For those others na hindi pa familiar sa project, can you give just a highlight? Why should they invest?
Well, I think first and foremost, kasi yung in terms of the location, it's very, very strategically located. Ang lapit-lapit lang niya considering ang dami nating access or way going to and from the project. So, meron tayong Smart Connect, meron din tayong MacArthur Highway. So, right now, with the Smart Connect, very accessible siya going to Quezon City, yung mga CBDs natin, malapit tayo. Then, the first CBD na pinakamalapit sa atin is yung sa North, CBD Vertis, so very near sa atin yon, and also yung sa Gateway in Cubao, that's also very near with us. And then kung in terms naman sa investment, if we're looking for investment, considering that right now, let's make use and take the opportunity to invest. So as we all know that yung property, once we invest, yan ay isang investment na tumataas. So kung mabili mo siya right now na, for example, we're looking at 3 million, just wait for a year or two, yung 3 million mo, nasa 4.5 to 5 million na siya. So it's really good to invest here. And then, aside from that, kung makikita natin, kung titira tayo sa Valenzuela, may katabi tayong family park. The family park is a joint venture with PhilInvest and the local government. So it shows talaga na PhilInvest as a company has close ties with the government of Valenzuela. So ito in-offer natin not just for the residents of Alta but also for the residents of the Valenzuela as a whole. So ganun kamahal ng PhilInvest at ng local government ang mga tao nila that they really take care of their people. Kung ang Maynila, 'di ba? They want to take care of their people also with Pasig. Si Valenzuela rin, they want to take care of their people giving a part in that area. So, invest na po tayo. Sobrang ganda po talaga ng project natin right now.
Wow naman. So, it's good to hear that. Kasi, di ba, pag mag-i-invest ka, sabi mo nga, location, location, location. Ngayon, sinabi mo kanina, location, check. Pagkatapos, affordability, dahil may promo, may inventory, check. Tapos, appreciation value, nasabi mo rin kanina, check. Ngayon naman, may tanong, kasi karamihan na nag-i-invest sa atin is mga nasa abroad. How about naman yung rental rate dyan sa lugar na yan sa Valenzuela? Meron po ba kayong idea na pwedeng share sa amin?
Yeah. For the rental rate, we're looking around 15,000 to 20,000 for a 2-bedroom unit. So in terms of rentability, pwede itong mapa-rent out kasi saan ka makakita ng 2-bedroom na unit tas condo pa, and then you also have ample amenity space in that area. So in terms of investment, we're looking around, kung magbibili tayo ngayon, we're looking around 13 to 14,000 monthly down payment. Pero in terms of renting it out, we're looking around nasa 18 to 20,000. So talagang in terms of ROI, pretty sure mas mabilis nyo mababawi ang ininvest nyo. And also, kung gusto nyo man tirahan, maganda rin siya tirahan because, of course, as I mentioned, may amenity ka na, may park ka pa. Kaya kung ako, when ask me personally, I would rather live, kung ako tatanungin personally, I would rather live in their project rather than renting it out. Kasi I want to experience the community itself. Ang ganda-ganda niya.
Ay, naku, alam mo, pulot natin yan. Sige, sabay tayo. May amenity ka na, may park ka pa. O, diba?
Kaya invest na sa Valenzuela. Ayan. Naku, gusto ko lang i-highlight to dahil tamang-tama yung sinabi mo, Sol, kanina. Sabi ni Miss Agnes Kate Ashley Libaw, wow, wow, wow. Thank you so much po, Freedom Business, and to all po. Nakuha ko ang unit ko 3 years ago is 2.8 million po. Super proud investor po ako. Kaya naman, sabi nga ni Sir Sol, kung ngayon ka mag-i-invest, nakuha mo na after a year, after 2 years, sobrang laki na ng in-appreciate ng value ng property mo. You can never go wrong sa pag-i-invest sa real estate.
Kaya nga, alam mo, I feel this is one of the best editions we have
Yes.
for our FLI project update. So, thank you so much, Jeline. Thank you so much, Sol. Any last message to our viewers right now?
Sige, Jeline, go ahead. You first.
Ayan, so ayun nga, we have a promo that will be discussed later on by your sellers na nandito sa atin, yung mga nag-invite sa inyo. So take advantage of that po kasi that promo will end on April 30. 1 month lang po ang promo natin. And next, dahil malapit na pong maging RFO si Alta, definitely yung promo natin iiksi na po yung ating DP term. Kaya po, take advantage. Talagang bumili na tayo ngayon na now na. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Miss Jeline.
Mr. Sol?
Sige. So for me naman, parting words ko is, it's really a good investment in this property. So I think all of us, yung hard-earned money natin, iba na siya once we see it, kumbaga we realize, nakikita natin, nahawakan natin yung yung ating inipon at binundar. So it's really a wise investment investing here in Alta Spatials. So yun. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you very much. Talaga naman yung mga parting words, mapapaisip ka talaga na mag-invest, hindi bukas, hindi sa isang araw, kung hindi, now na.
Pero alam mo, Sol, sorry, Jeline, nag-trending ang sinabi ni Sol. Ayan na sila, may amenities ka na, may park ka pa. So we will end that session with that note. Thank you so much, Jeline. Thank you so much, Sol. Till next time. Maraming
Thank you. Thank you for having us.